HobbyKidsTV.
Hey Hobby Kids, today we're gonna go bonkers for Bonkazonk! And we're gonna open up 3 surprise Play-Doh Bonkazonk at the end! So let's open them up and have some fun! Woohoo! First, let's do the surprise bags. What did we get? Alright, we got the Red Hulk.
Red Hulk.
He's one of my favorite characters. HobbyDad's favorite character is the Red Hulk. So that's awesome.
Is your favorite character the Green Hulk?
I do like the Green Hulk too, yeah. Gambit from the X-Men. Oh, he even has his card. Ooh, what's this gonna be? We got another Spider-Man. And Mr. Fantastic. See, he's all stretchy.
2 Spider-Mans.
Oh, we got a good amount of Spider-Man.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this one next.
Another Spider-Man?
Yeah, we got the Toad. He's a bad guy from X-Men.
More Spider-Man. 3.
Can't have enough Spider-Man.
Bullseye.
And another Spider-Man. And Nightcrawler, the teleporting mutant from X-Men. You want to see him teleport?
What?
He teleported.
Here he is.
Alright, let's open this one. It's Avalanche. And who's the mystery guy? Let's find out the mystery man. It's Mysterio. It's kind of funny that he's a Bonkazonk. He already has like a fishbowl head. And here we have 1940s Captain and Thanos with his power gauntlet. Let's open up this one next. This is an Iron Man carrying case to transport your Bonkazonk. Got War Machine. Dr. Doom. Who's this Hobby Kid? That's Nick Fury, isn't it?
Nick Fury.
Yeah. And of course, Iron Man. Hey, Hobby Kid, hand me that Bonkazonk package. Oh boy, here we go.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, it's Spider-Man. Hey, we got Venom.
Ooh.
He's a pretty cool guy too. I like Venom.
Something wrong. He's not black.
He's kind of like a dark black, or a light black. He has the tongue. It's definitely Venom.
Look.
Hey, guess what we got another one of? Another Spider-Man. Ooh, the Sandman.
Ooh.
He has a sand mace. It's kind of neat. And his striped green shirt. And last but not least, we got the Lizard. Captain's next. Carrying case. Alright, this is going to be a good one. Of course, we've got Captain. And we've got Loki.
Loki.
Loki is loco. And we've got Thor. And it's Thor with a mustache and beard. It's always fun. And there's his hammer. And it wouldn't be Marvel without the Hulk. We'll put him next to the Red Hulk, because they're friends now. First they weren't, but now they are.
Huh?
It's a long story. It's a great story. If you have a chance, check it out. Let's see how these face cases work. So the face case can hold 10 Bonkazonk.
Oh.
And it has a locking lid. Lock. It is locked.
I must have been looking at a different.
And they are stackable, so it doesn't move around. So right there, we could store 30 Bonkazonk. But if you want to store even more Bonkazonk, Iron Man headquarters and this Spider-Man headquarters to make one giant Bonkazonk. HobbyKid, open that one. I'm gonna open this one. In the headquarters, we've got Carnage, a shiny Spider-Man, Iron Man. We've got a shiny Iron Man and Ironmonger. Show us how that works, HobbyKid.
Okay.
Let's put some Bonkazonks in it.
So we have 24 Bonkazonks.
Together, they make one big ball. Now let's play some Bonkazonk games.
Yay!
All the Bonkazonk toys come with these cards that show you some fun games that you can play. Let's do them, HobbyKids. Boom! Now we're gonna do Bonkazonk bowling. Oh man, totally missed. Oh! Alright! Oh, we got some more. Oh, one more.
Got him.
Alright! And now we're gonna have the Hulk versus Thanos. Alright, HobbyKids, slam some Bonkazonks into that bowl. Oh, close! Another one. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, keep going. Close. Oh, yeah! Yay! Hit this map. Oh, okay. All right. Man, Hobgoblin is so hard to get. He's like the hardest guy ever. Oh, there we go. Now we're gonna see if we can knock down all these Bonkazonks. Ready, HobbyKid? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, so close. Dr. Doom. Yeah! Nightcrawler got him. Now let's open up these 3 Play-Doh Bonkazonks. It's a Scatterbrains Ogre. Let's see if we can get Spider-Man. Oh, yeah. It's Nova from the Ultimate Spider-Man cartoon. Alright, here's the last Play-Doh Bonkazonk surprise. It's a trash can. I wonder what's inside this trash can. It's a trash bag. That is one disgusting butterfly. Ew. Thanks for playing, HobbyKids. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for some more awesome Bonkazonk Play-Doh toys action.